I had called a couple of people, a couple other companies, and actually three, and two of them were not very good. Did not give me a good price at all, and the third one didn't even show up. So I called you after I seen your advertisement on Facebook. It's been a very easy process. Couldn't have made it easier. You're always there, always, you're in constant contact. That's the best part. I surely will, and I actually have, and when we're done here, I'm getting your card and giving it to my neighbor. The entire process has been very good. You've been very nice, and that's been the best part about it.